Hey girl, hey! Today we're going to be installing this Bobbi Boss Premium Synthetic Wig in the style Daniella in the color 1B. I'm starting off by cutting my lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to work each section individually. I'm going to be laying my wig down with the Even Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I'm going to be applying 2 coats. You can apply whatever is more suitable for you, but for me, 2 coats of the Even adhesive spray helps me maintain my lace. I then use my blow dryer to get it down to a tacky feeling so that way I can then apply my lace. I do that for each section. Once I lay the lace down, I then go in and blow dry it again to ensure that I am securing the lace in the place that I've laid it. I then repeat each step for each section to make sure that my lace is being secured as I desire it to be. The lace has been laid, and now I'm just making sure that there's no little flyaways or any hair that's out of place. I'm combing it back to make sure that it's not interfering with me melting my lace. I then go in with my Even Wonder Lace melting spray, and I blow dry it to make sure that it's melting before I actually allow myself to add a band to my hair to enhance the melting experience, and that's what we're doing here. Now that I have that band on, I'm going to go in and get my part together, see where I want it to be placed, make sure that I want to go for a middle part, or set the hair up how I want it to be styled once I get it completely installed. Now this step here I learned from a creator named Monet B. She takes a firm brush and the blow dryer to help flatten the wig before applying the hot comb. Being that it is a synthetic wig, that means that it can't take the heat of the hot comb as a regular human hair wig could. And that's all I'm doing here, just to make sure that it's giving the flatness that I'm aiming for. Now that that's done, I then go in with my hot comb. It is at the peak of it, attempting to get hot, not too hot as it can get, so that way I don't melt the hair, because again, we have to remember it is synthetic. But baby, look at how it's giving flat, honey. That's exactly what we're aiming for. No matter if the wig is synthetic or if it's human, you still want to go with a flat crown, because volume is good sometimes, but volume doesn't need to be where you can't see your part. Now that we've gotten that taken care of, I'm then going to go in and enhance my part to give it a more natural look with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade 10. Oh God. Now it's time for us to cut that lace, honey. let's cut it. I'm gonna go in with the eyebrow razor because I don't want a straight lace cut because it doesn't give natural, but using that brow archer, it helps give the natural hairline illusion that we're aiming for, because what lace? Now that the lace is cut, we will go back in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade 10 to match the lace to my skin, so that way when it's time to actually melt it, it'll melt and it'll then give what lace. Now that we've applied the foundation, I'll then go in with my Eben Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Mousse, so that way I can help really melt that lace. After I apply the mousse, I then go in and blow dry my hair for a good 3 to 4 minutes, so that way I can help it melt as I desire. Now that it's giving wet lace, we're gonna go in and do us some baby hairs. Now normally I'm not a baby hair girl, but with this look I just desired to do baby hairs, so I'm gonna go in, make sure that my parts that I'm wanting my baby hair to be is fairly thin. We don't want no thick baby hairs, but we do want baby hairs that's going to be able to be seen. So right now I'm just going in and sectioning off where my baby hairs will lay. Sections complete. Now I'm gonna go back in with the same brow razor to cut my baby hairs to give the look that I'm aiming for. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the small curlers, flat irons for the baby hairs, but I did go in with my regular flat iron to give my hair that bump, so that way when I lay my baby hairs, it won't be complicated. They'll just go in the direction I'm aiming for. Now, I did go in with my olive oil mousse to lay my baby hairs down. But I did later go back in with my Gots to Be styling gel in the black tube so that my baby hairs didn't move. Using the mousse with the baby hairs on the synthetic wig doesn't give the best results, and your baby hairs eventually will lift. Now that we got the baby hairs down, it's time for us to go in and brush the wig out to see what it's giving. Now with synthetic wigs, it is definitely vital to ensure you're combing the wig or brushing the wig from the bottom up, because it's easily able to tangle. And here, that's all I'm doing. You'll see me at points go in from the top and bring it down to the bottom, but for the most part, I'll start brushing from the bottom. Now let's see what this wig about to give, honey. This Bobbi Boss wig can be purchased from my Amazon storefront, which is linked in the description box below. I definitely hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like more of this type of content, please leave a comment below. I am going to be transitioning into synthetic wigs, so I hope that this is something that y'all are going to tune into. Hey, what can a girl say? She loves to be beautiful, honey. And there she is. Now, I'm a very honest person, so I do want to make sure that I'm giving you all a honest review. This wig is definitely full. I absolutely love how it has layers in it. Detangling it was not complicated at all, but I will say, before I was able to actually finish this video, I did go ahead to run an errand or two, and it did get a little tangly, but nothing that a brush can't handle. I would say 10 out of 10. I do recommend if you are a girl that knows how to manage a synthetic wig. I hope that you like it. Let me know if you want more.